Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. We'll discuss in this class MCQs, important MCQs. Who all have visited first time on this channel, please do subscribe. We'll see the first question. Ovulation usually occurs on which day of menstrual cycle? Options are here. Day 14th. The first milk secreted after childbirth is called colostrum. The placenta is normally situated in which part of uterus? Upper segment. The most common site of fertilization is ampulla of fallopian tube. Which is the most common position of the fetus in uterus? (110 to 160 beats per minute). Best method to confirm pregnancy is ultrasonography. The term quickening means fetal movement felt by mother. The commonest site of ectopic pregnancy is ampulla of fallopian tube. Oxytocin is secreted by posterior pituitary. The presenting part in breech presentation is buttocks. Which is the most common cause of maternal mortality? Hemorrhage. Puerperium refers to the period of 6 weeks after delivery. The hormone used for induction of labor is oxytocin. Lochia rubra lasts for how many days? 1 to 4 days. The most common type of pelvis is gynecoid. The hormone responsible for milk secretion is prolactin. The hormone responsible for milk ejection reflex is oxytocin. The normal weight of placenta at term is 500 gram. The normal amount of amniotic fluid at term is 800 ml. The most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage is uterine atony. The onset of true labor is indicated by regular uterine contractions. Duration of first stage of labor in primea gravida is approximately 12 hours. Duration of second stage of labor in multigravida is approximately 30 minutes. Episiotomy is usually given at which stage of labor? Second stage. The most common site for episiotomy is mediolateral. The normal range of hemoglobin in pregnancy is 10 to 14 gram per dl. The condition characterized by high BP, edema and proteinuria is preeclampsia. The dangerous complication of eclampsia is coma. Normal duration of puerperium is 6 weeks. The condition of absence of menstruation is called amenorrhea. The menopause is said to occur when menses stops for 12 months. The most common site of cervical cancer is squamocolumnar junction. The most common benign tumor of uterus is fibroid. The most common site of endometriosis is ovary. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.